Hello guys, welcome back. In the last lecture, we discussed about the order by clause and saw how to use this to get SQL query result in a specified order. Okay, in this lecture, we will see how to use order by clause with the where clause. So first of all, we need to know that we can use the order by clause with where clause, but in such queries, the order by clause must appear after the where clause. I mean, you cannot apply the ordering before satisfying the where clause predicate. Okay, so let's see this by an example. So switch to the terminal first and open the PSQL console. So switch to the terminal and here you need to run sudo -u postgres and PSQL. Okay, and now let's load all the records from a table. So we are using employees table in our course so far. So we can list all the records from the employees table. So select star from employees. Okay, this will return all the employees existing in the database. Okay, now let's use the order by clause in this query after the where clause. So just use this, and here you can use where id greater than 10 and then order by name. Okay, so what this query will do, this will return all the employees rows where id of an employee is greater than 10 and then apply ordering on the name in ascending order because we did not specify orders explicitly. So run the query and see the output. Okay, so here you can see that we used the order by query along with where clause. Okay, I mean we use the order clause with the where clause and it is working. Okay, but if you reverse something, I mean you use order by before where clause. Okay, so let's, for example, if you are doing something like this, remove the where clause from this query. Okay, and now add the where clause here where id greater than 10. Okay, now if you run this query you will get a syntax error. Okay, because SQL does not support order by clause before the where clause in the same query. Okay, so whenever you are in some situation to use order by clause and where clause in the same SQL query, make sure to use where clause first and then use the order by clause. And you cannot use order by clause and where clause together in a query if you are using aggregate function in that query. Okay, for example, if you run a query like this, let's say select count star, okay, from employees where id greater than 10, okay, and order by name, order by name. Okay, and when you run this query you will again see an error that column employees.name must appear in the group by clause or to be used in aggregate function. Okay, however we will not fix this error in this lecture because we will learn how to do run this query when we discuss about the group by clause and having clause. Okay, and first we need to discuss study the aggregate functions as well. Okay, so that's it from this lecture. Now in the next lecture we will learn about the aggregate functions in the PostgreSQL. Okay, meanwhile try this lecture at your end. Okay, and we will meet into the next lecture. Till then, tata, goodbye, take care and stay safe.